Problems with MRP systems. Integrity of the data if there are any errors in the inventory data. The bill of materials, commonly referred to as BOM data or the master production schedule. Then the output data will also be incorrect or gig or garbage in, garbage out. Data integrity is also affected by inaccurate cycle count, adjustment mistakes, and the receiving input and shipping output, scrap not reported waste damage, box count error, supply container count errors, production reporting errors, and system issues. Many of this type of errors can be minimized by implementing full system and using barcode scanning. Most vendors in this type of system recommended at least 99% data integrity for the system to give useful results. System require that the user specify how long it will take a factory to make a product from its component parts, assuming they are all available. In manufacturing, we have factories in different cities or even countries. This is not good for the MRP system to say that we do not need to order some material because we have plenty of it thousands of miles away. The overall ERP system needs to be able to organize inventory and needs by individual factory and to intercommunicate the needs in order to enable each factory to distribute components to serve the overall enterprise. Production may be in a process for some part whose design is changed with customer orders in the system for both the old design and the new one concurrently. The other major drawback of MRP is that it fails to account the capacity in the calculation. This means it will give result that the impossible to implement due to empower machine or supplier capacity constraints. Production schedule, thus creating a long-term control. A more general feature of MRP is the extension to purchasing, to marketing, and to finance. Integration of all the function of the company ERP has been the next step. What are the solutions to data integrity issues? The solution to data integrity issues are bill of material. The best practice is to physically verify the bill of material either at the product site or disassembling the product. Next is the cycle count. The best practice is to determine why a cycle count and that increase or decrease inventory has occurred. Find the root cause and correct the problem from occurring again. Next, scrap reporting. This can be the most difficult area to maintain with any integrity. Start with isolating the scrap by providing scrap bins on the production site and then record the scrap on the bins on a daily basis. Receiving errors. Manual system of recording what has been received are error-prone. The best practice to implement the system of receiving ESN from the supplier. The supplier sends an ESN advance shipping notification when the components are received into the facility. The ESN is processed and then company labels created for each line item. Shipping errors. The container labels are printed from the shipper. The labels are affixed to the container's staging area when they are loaded on the transport. Production reporting. The best practice is to use barcode scanning to enter production into inventory. Product that is rejected should be moved to an MRB location. Containers require sorting need to be received in reverse. Replenishment. The best replenishment practice is replacement using barcode, scanning, or via pull system. Depending upon the complexity of the product, planners can actually order materials using scanning with a MAX system.